Work Van Equipment, a leader in cargo van equipment, is happy to reintroduce Surco van ladders. Surco van ladders are the perfect solution for the cargo van owners who want to maximize their cargo management and easily access their roof. Load and unload a variety of cargo materials right to the roof of any cargo van rack. If you have a high roof van, access to the roof can be a bit tricky. With a Surco van ladder, the roof is quickly within reach. Made with heavy-duty stainless steel, these ladders are built to withstand daily use, making your workday safe and efficient. Installation is seamless. The ladder is fully assembled and hooks directly onto your van door with over-the-door tabs. You can be on the road and on to the next job in no time. Surco offers ladders that are compatible with a variety of different cargo van models. They are also suited to fit perfectly in low, medium, and high roof vans. Surco products have been in business for over 50 years and manufacture their products right here in the United States. As a family-owned business, you know you will get a quality product every time. Get yours now on our website workvanequipment.com or give us a call and one of our knowledgeable customer service representatives will be happy to assist you.